Namaste everyone, welcome to SS Craft Mantra. In this video, we are going to make V alphabet gift box and a gift. Let's get started with the tutorial. First, we are going to draw perfect alphabet V with the help of 1-inch grid lines. Cut the letter V. Trace the letter V on another paper. Mark 0.3 cm and make another alphabet V. If your strips are short, then you can join the strips. Bend the strips, make cuts on the folded lines. With the help of the folded line, measure the border of the alphabet and make a cuts at the turning. And fold the strips and then again repeat the same process. For making lid of the box, repeat the same process. Your alphabet V box is ready. You can give gifts and chocolates in this box. Now let's learn how to pack chocolates in a creative manner. I had used 2-inch grid lines for making letter V. I am using shopping bag for packing the chocolates. Trace the alphabet V on shopping bag. Mark 4 cm on all sides of the letter and draw lines as shown. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. Make cuts on all sides of the letter. Tie double knot as shown and fill chocolates inside. This is the series where I had made all alphabet boxes and cute gifts for each alphabet. Do check out Alphabet and Numbers Craft playlist for more such videos. If you had liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.